In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use attribute caps in NBA 2K25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use attribute cap breakers available in your attribute upgrades menu. So to start, open your attributes page, and in here you will see all of the attributes that you currently have. All of their levels will be displayed according to their category. Now, if you look at the top, you will see this: earn my points in order to upgrade your overall attribute cap. And if you have cap breakers available, they will notify you right here. So all that you have to do is press down on the right stick. So press down on the right joystick, and this will take you to another page where you can actually use the cap breakers to essentially increase the cap on an attribute. So you will see the amount of cap breakers that you have. So first, you will see each of them appear here, so their title and then the original cap. You can then select one of these slots here to use your cap breakers. So you can select multiple or only some. Once you select a specific slot here, you will see the new cap being displayed. So in this example here, driving dunk currently has 93 as the original cap, and by using one of the cap breakers here, then it is going to go up to 94, telling you whether or not it has been maxed. You will see requirements met as well if you got one of them done, and you can press the button to see them. But most importantly, if you want to use the cap breaker that you selected, so right here on driving dunk in this example, you can go ahead and press the respective button. This will allow you to use one of your cap breakers and the new cap will be displayed. And you can use them on any stats. Just make sure that you highlight the slots here and you use it. I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions on how to use cap breakers on NBA 2K25, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed, so if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel achieve higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.